everyone, today I'm making a fresh strawberry pie for you. It is so good, and the salted shortbread crust is phenomenal. It pairs so well with the sweetness of the strawberries. Ooh, just a yummy merriment. Perfect pie, perfect pie. And no icky ingredients, nothing like Jello or anything is coming near our pie. We are doing it the right way. It is natural and delicious, and when you want your dessert, do it the right way. We're gonna do it the right way today. For the crust, we've got the oven on 350. I have some grass-fed butter. It is the best kind of butter you can find. Don't worry, it's a myth. Butter is good for you, in fact. Saturated fat, cholesterol, we need it from everything from our skin to our brain. Butter is good for you. Butter is a health food. I'm gonna add in some flour, and I'm using organic flour because, believe it or not, something as simple as flour has preservatives in it. So read your labels. Some powdered sugar for sweetness. And like I said, it's a salted shortbread crust, so get in there. Salt. Give it a mix. No equipment needed. I'm actually gonna just get in there with my hands. And then we're just gonna transfer it into our pie dish. We don't need to grease the pie dish or anything because we've got that healthy butter right in the crust. Just mash it down. I like this. Kind of feels like Play-Doh. Should get my daughter to do it. She would love to. See how easy that was? It's ridiculously easy. In my opinion, it's the best crust to go with fresh strawberry pie. I'm so excited for this pie. It's my favorite pie in the world. Well, this and key lime pie, and I have actually a video on key lime pie too. And then let's just go ahead and pop this into the oven 20 minutes or until nicely golden and beautiful. I've rinsed my strawberries. Now I'm gonna hull them. So that just means get rid of that stem. And then the bigger ones, I'm just gonna give them a slice in half. Strawberries are filled with antioxidants. You can tell because of their color. When you look at fruits and vegetables and you see that rich color like berries have, antioxidants, that's what it is. So you want to make sure you get yours organic, because if you don't, you are putting pesticides in your body. And those pesticides, what do? They actually produce free radicals that cause damage to your cells by way of oxidation. What do antioxidants do? They counteract that. So if you're eating a conventional, meaning not organic strawberry, and you're eating the pesticides that come along with that, then you're just canceling the whole thing out. What's the point in eating the strawberry then if you're not getting the nutritional benefits from it? So eat organic, strawberries especially, because they're so thin-skinned. Help yourself out. And they taste so much better too, so much better. Love them, especially if they're in season. So good, so delicious, so sweet. While the crust is cooling, I'm gonna just go ahead and show you how to make the sauce that binds the strawberries together. So traditionally, in like the 60s, when fresh strawberry pie became popular, they used Jello. We don't want to deal with that stuff. We're going to use cornstarch and the fruit itself, the natural fruit pectin. I've got about 1.5 cups of strawberries in here. I'm just smashing them. You can use whatever you have at hand to smash your strawberries. Right now I have a measuring cup. I don't know what happened to my potato masher. I don't know what happened to my mallet. I have a fork and a measuring cup. You can also use a blender or food processor. The other stuff for the sauce, like I said, cornstarch. Got a little bit of cornstarch here. We have a little bit of sugar here for sweetness. I'm using organic sugar because it is less processed than conventional sugar, so it retains the nutrients and the taste of the cane sugar. And then a little bit of salt to draw out the flavors. Give it a mix. Cook it over the stove until it thickens up. The cornstarch is heat activated, so it'll thicken up nicely along with the pectin in the fruit. And so we'll get a beautiful sauce. Right now it's really, really liquidy. In about 10 minutes it should be perfect. It's nice and thick and ready to cool before we mix it together with the rest of our strawberries and make our pie. I'm gonna add it to all of our strawberries, about 6 to 8 cups of strawberries in here. Give it a mix, enveloping all the strawberries in that delicious strawberry sauce. Now, when the strawberries sit in this sauce for a while, they're gonna release their own liquids because the sauce has some sugar in it, right? The reason why we wanted to make this sauce so thick is because it counteracts the liquid that's seeping through the strawberries so that you don't end up with a really soupy pie, which is my issue with a lot of the no Jello strawberry pies. We don't want Jello in our pie, but we also don't want it to be super soupy. Filling straight in. That looks amazing. You can smell the strawberries. Yes, beauty. And we're gonna just make the whipped cream while we keep this chilling in the fridge for about 2 hours. But honestly, if you only have 10 minutes, I mean, that's your pie. You do what you want with it. Can't have strawberry pie, fresh strawberry pie without some fresh whipped cream. So we're gonna make it real quick, so easy. Just adding some of that organic sugar again. 2 cups, heavy whipping cream. Stiff peaks, my friends. Strawberries and cream, nothing better. Oh, whipped cream is done. Perfect, perfect. Once our pie is ready, I'm gonna slather those stuff right on there. We're gonna eat it all up. No, first I have to take pictures. We have our pie done. We've got the whipped cream here. This is the most delicious pie. You guys will love it so much. So tasty, so tasty. Subscribe to my channel. I would love it if you did, and click the little notification bell. Leave a comment, like the video. I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye. Now I'm just gonna pop it into the oven for about 20 minutes or until it's nicely golden, and then it's gonna be smelling all right. I don't like that. And antioxidants are filled with antioxidants. That's true, Beta. What was that?